welcome back to my channel. Today we are still in the series Operation Organization, and today I am super excited to talk about how I organized all of my kids' art into books and how I did it and the app that I used. I did reach out to Simple Prints and asked them if they would offer a coupon code to you guys, and they did. So there's a coupon code down below. Thank you, Hunter, for the crunching. This video is not sponsored at all by them. I simply was looking for apps, and then when I found the app, I thought that they were so awesome and it was such a good app that I actually reached out, and this is why this video has a different intro than my other operation organizations, because I held off on doing this video until I got you guys a coupon code. So there's a coupon code in the links below, but Simple Prints is super easy to use and I absolutely fell in love with it. I was trying to use other apps, and when I found it, I was like, this app is a game changer. So not only do you use it for, art, but you can use it for photo books, period. So again, totally not sponsored. I reached out to them and they were kind enough to give you guys a coupon code. So without further ado, I'm gonna show you the process I took to do something I've been wanting to do for a very long time. You can do this with so many things, not just their art. You can do this with their stuffed animals, which one day we are going to do when they grow up a bit. I'm gonna do a photo shoot of their little stuffed animals and write little stories for them, and we're gonna put them into books as well, because this is a lot easier to carry than a box full of art and a box full of stuffed animals or bags or whatever. Okay, so let's get going. Let's move in to this video. Oh, can I just talk about this picture for a second? This is so cute. Briley drew this when she was probably about 5, and I just can't, she captured us so well. She just did such a good job. And then this is Landis's cover. She drew herself, and I just love this. This was Landy Pandy when she was little, the little freckles, the curly little curls. Okay, enough about my kids' art. Obviously, I loved it enough to put them into books. So let's go. All right, so I started by gathering all of their artwork that I have in boxes and manila envelopes and all the things, and started filtering through it for things that I wanted to capture and keep. So I just took pictures of it, making sure that it was in a well-lit area and it had an even, no shadows, even sunlight on it. And then I also had the girls help out so that they could remind me if I forgot what they were or if they weren't their own artwork, and if it was something special that they wanted to remember, I made sure to include it in the book as well. So we just photographed everything. You can photograph funny stories, you can photograph their schoolwork, whatever you decide to keep, you can do it like this, or any weird things like puppets, you can take pictures of them holding them. And once you have everything photographed, you can then move into the app, which is called Simple Prints, and it's free to download. And then it's just a really easy app to use. You basically just click add photos. You can create new projects, or you can start from old projects, and then they have different photo books you can choose from, all the way up to really large photo books to just small photo books. So their 8x8 start at $14.99, and we also have a coupon code down in the description that they were kind enough to offer you guys, so make sure to use that if you guys check it out. So we're gonna go into our camera roll, and I actually put all of their photos into an album just so that I could have reference to all of them. And then I'm just gonna go in and pick all of my favorite photos. I did photograph everything that they had just so I had it, but I went through and just picked my favorite pieces. And then later on, I went and I changed out some of the photos if there were too many pages, or just to highlight some of my actual favorite pieces if I didn't want the book to be so large, because let me tell you, we had a lot of artwork. So I'm just going through and picking all of these, and then I am going to just add them to the photo book. Now, if you want to move a page, all you have to do is hold it and drag it. And then if you want to edit a page, you just click on the photo and you can zoom in and make it full on the entire page, or you can make a collage page. You can make it turned if it's sideways. It's really, really, really easy to use, and that's why I decided that I wanted to promote this app when I was doing this. So just play around with it. Again, you could do this with photos. It doesn't have to be art, and I'm really just showing you how to manipulate photos on the photo book. You can change the pages around if you can see easily if you selected 2 of the same photo, and it actually lays the entire book out for you. You can custom pick your cover that you want for the cover. It's just a really cool app and super, super easy to use. So once you have the cover, you can add different things like a cover title or a spine title, and you can also flip through the book to make sure that everything is how you want it. You can share it online so that if grandparents want to buy one, or if you just want to save it, you can do it that way, and then you can always just have it as a PDF form as well. So there's that, or you can share it to all the different things like Facebook, and it's super cool.